We are here in this hall, as you have been informed by the chairman, to develop a national action plan for the implementation of the 4 additional protocols of the Abidjan Convention that have already been signed and ratified by the government of Sierra Leone. The national action plan will define roles and responsibilities tied with time frames, which will be consistent with our different mandates.
The USAID, through WABIC, has been working very closely with both the Abidjan Convention and the Sierra Leone government over the past 4 years. The partnership with the Abidjan Convention allowed us over the past year to adopt and ratify the protocols. These 4 protocols will be very soon adopted by the parties during the upcoming Abidjan Convention 13th Conference of the Parties, which will be held in Congo, Pointe-Noire, in May 2020.
The Abidjan Convention, working with other partners, including MAVA Foundation and IDRI, is supporting a project that is meant to work with 4 countries, of which Sierra Leone is one. The others are Senegal, Mauritania, and Guinea-Bissau, to make sure that these countries take the lead in promoting or providing common environmental norms in the region. It is in that regard that it is an honor to participate in this particular national consultations, because SEMLAWS Africa is leading that role of ensuring that legal and policy frameworks are put in place adequately to prepare this great country for the future and fortunes of offshore oil and gas exploitation.
As the Vice President of the Bureau of the Convention, we are more determined and committed to the rolling out of the Convention plans and programs at the national level.
The Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources has over the years been collaborating with the partner institutions like the EPA, the Ministry of Tourism, the Ministry of Lands, and our research institute, IMBO, for us to be able to address most of the issues that hinges on the sustainable management and development of the fisheries sector.
I crave on your indulgence to see this process as an opportunity and take advantage of it through active participation and involvement in the phases of the formulation and implementation of the National Action Plan.
We really hope that this exercise will allow Sierra Leone to come up to the Abidjan Convention 13 COP with finalized action plan reflecting the needs and the reality of the country. On behalf of WABIC, I would like to once again thank the Sierra Leone government for organizing this workshop and for this very fruitful collaboration we were having over the past 4 years, which we would like to continue more and more. Thank you very much and have a great workshop.